Why do we hiccup? And why does it always happen at the wrong moment? A hiccup starts deep inside your diaphragm, the big muscle under your lungs. Normally it moves smoothly when you breathe, but sometimes the nerves that control it fire unexpectedly. This sudden contraction forces air upward, and your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hic sound. Why do the nerves misfire? There isn't one single answer, but scientists know that hiccups are linked to irritation in a long nerve pathway called the phrenic nerve. That nerve runs from your brain, through your neck, all the way down to your diaphragm. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, sudden temperature changes, stress, or even laughing too hard can overstimulate that nerve. Your body reacts with a rapid, uncontrolled reflex, the hiccup. Babies in the womb hiccup even before they're born, which suggests hiccups might be a primitive leftover reflex from early development. So the next time you hiccup, remember, it's not random. It's your diaphragm spamming because your nervous system got a little too excited.